So this is going to be a reading for sign of Capricorn moving forward. So what can Capricorn possibly expect in their relationship, soulmate connection in the month of May? So let's start. The overall energy and focus of the reading, we have Seven of Wands. So when we see Seven of Wands, I feel you are rather going to be a little defensive about your connections, about yourself. You are not going to let someone in easily. Let be the past person, new person, whatsoever. It's going to be tough for people to make a move towards you because you are trying to restrict people from entering your life that easily. Okay, you might have gone through something terrible in your life that you are behaving in such way. Right now you are just trying to focus on your self growth, your self journey, your finances, your goals, your aspirations, everything. Okay, but financially I do see good gains coming towards you in the month of May. Okay, like financially I see a lot of good things coming towards you. Okay, so one card for the past, one card for past for the sign of Capricorn, one card for the past for the sign of Capricorn. In the past you are trying very hard to move forward. Okay, you are rigorously wanting things to work, and you are trying your level best to move things forward. With the World card, you could have gone through some ending because of someone not making a decision based on the connection or whatsoever, but the World card is still there at the bottom, and Knight of Pentacles, you did your level best to move things forward, but if things ended, they ended. Okay, and with Seven of Cups there was a hell lot of confusion. Okay, so one card for what's really coming towards you now. What's really coming towards Capricorn for the month of May. What's really coming forward for Capricorn for the month of May. Just a second. With Six of Wands, I see you getting a lot of attention. Okay. With Nine of Swords, yes, you might be a little restless right now, but I do see you getting a lot of attention for the month of May. Okay. The person who wants to get your attention is kind of a little restless on you as well. They are thinking a lot about you. With Wheel of Fortune, they took a long time making a decision based on you. Okay, so let's start now. Based on that, one card, what's the overall energy going to be like for Capricorn and their soulmate for the month of May? Spirit, what's the overall energy going to be like for Capricorn and their soulmate for the month of May? One card, what's the overall energy going to be like for Capricorn and their soulmate for the month of May? With Four of Cups, I still feel on some which level that you're still not accepting them. You're still taking your sweet time to open up. Okay. And you are just wanting to heal yourself. You're not really trying to focus on relationships whatsoever. Right, with Seven of Wands being your overall focus, you are not really wanting to let people in that easy. You're going to take your sweet time. Okay. I don't see you changing or wanting to change that easy. Okay. One card for your soulmate's energy towards you now. One card for your soulmate's energy towards you, Capricorn people. Some of you are like literally lost patience with this person. You tried your level best, but things could not work. And right now you're kind of feeling a little disinterested now. Okay. Regarding your person, we have the Empress and the King of Cups. Our top card we have is Three of Wands in the reverse. So maybe this person was trying to go for better options in the past, but right now they're trying to come right back to you with King of Cups. This person is wanting to open up about their feelings now. They do have feelings for you and they want to grow with you. Okay. So one card for how are they possibly going to come forward towards you now, Capricorn? How is your soulmate possibly going to come forward towards you now? Yeah, with Wheel of Fortune, this person does want to bring in changes, does want to make the necessary changes that's going to change things with you. Okay, bottom card is Five of Pentacles, top card is the Star card. So they are still wanting to keep that hope and faith that things will work with you. In the past, this person must have ghosted you. Trust me on that. Okay, so Spirit, give me one card for like in terms of expectations. What can my dear Capricorns expect from their partner now? With Queen of Wands, this person is very much interested in you. They are very attracted to you and they are very interested in you. With Queen of Wands, this person does want to bring in the changes, does want to take action, just does not think of making the changes. They want to take action this time. Okay. And with Knight of Wands, this person will take action. Okay, trust me on that. I very much see this person, wanting to make a move. So in terms of their intentions towards you now, in terms of their intentions towards you, In terms of their intentions, right now this person might be holding back. They do not feel like they have much to offer to you. This person might also have some financial issues, like they are not financially stable. For some of you, they don't have a stable job. Okay, for some of you, like this person lives at a distance from you and they have to travel in order to see you. For some of you, this person did not believe that you guys could have a future because of the circumstances that you guys share. I believe that this person did not have that belief and faith that this connection could move forward. Okay, so one card for in terms of action. Let's see, like what's your soulmate wanting to do towards you now. With Ace of Pentacles, this person wants to bring in or give you a brand new offer. They want to put in the work this time. Okay, so it's very positive for you guys. Okay, so what can my dear Capricorns expect from their partner now? What can my dear Capricorns expect from their partner now? Yeah, with King of Wands, Queen of Wands, this is your soulmate for many of you. Could be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Could also be a earth sign, Taurus, Virgo. Okay, but whatever it is, whichever sign, this person will take action. Okay, you can expect action or this person to make or move things forward with you. Okay, so in terms of their feelings for you, one card for their feelings for you. One card for their feelings. This person fears rejection a lot because of what they have put you through in the past. This person feels like you won't take them and you are actually going to take a lot of time before making or taking action. Okay, in terms of feelings, they do regret for what they have made you go through with Five of Cups and Five of Pentacles. Okay, they do miss you, but at the same time they also have regrets for what they have made you go through. Okay, with Queen of Pentacles, they are wanting to nurture the situation right now. Okay, so where is this connection possibly heading, Spirit? Where is this connection possibly heading for the month of May? Where is this connection possibly heading for the month of May? With Queen of Pentacles, you guys will kind of get back on some which level. This person will put in the effort. They will try to nurture the situation and you. Okay, with Ten of Wands, they are ready to make the effort or to bring in changes now. Okay, for many of you. So in terms of like what do they possibly want from you now? Capricorn soulmate, what do they possibly want from you now? For some of you, this person did not want commitment with you in the past. And that could have been one main reason that they were not really looking for commitment. They were looking to have a relationship or connection with you, but without commitment. Okay, that was the main issue. This person just wasn't ready for commitment. Okay, with Three of Wands, they, in the past, this person could have wanted to keep you a third party. They were not really wanting to make you that top priority in their life or that special person in their life. In the past, this person could have kept you a third party. But please give me one card for like what's their soulmate possibly wanting with Capricorns now. One card for what's their soulmate possibly wanting to have with Capricorns now. I still see on some which level commitments being an issue. For some of you, this person could be married, okay, and they cannot give you commitment. For selected few of you, not for all of you, but this person will take time. It's not going to happen within days. Okay, it's going to take time. It's not going to happen just within a click. Okay, so please be careful. Okay, so in terms of action, what's the Capricorn soulmate possibly wanting with Capricorn now? From Capricorn, sorry. This person wants you to possibly put in effort with them. They want you to let go of the past with Five of Swords and Five of Cups at the very start of it, and they are wanting you to start fresh with them. They want you to let go of the past. Okay, they want you to stop or let go of the ego issues as well, and they are wanting you to make a move now. Okay, so one card for the main blockage in the connection between Capricorn and their soulmate. What's the main blockage in the connection? But I do not know why I still see a commitment being an issue. Okay guys, so please be careful about that. The blockage was this person just wasn't expressing their feelings, emotions. They were just behaving detached. Okay, and for selected few of you, this person was in another commitment and you did not know shit about it. With Moon card, they kept in a lot of secrets from you. Okay, so their messages to you is, I am afraid of rejection. That's what a person is trying to tell you. And we could have let down our egos, but we let down ourselves instead. So you guys could have had a lot of ego issues in the past with Five of Swords here. But I believe that you guys will try to come back in some which way, but still look out for the commitment issues. Okay, I still see that being a main concern still going on. Okay, so yes, this was your rating for the sign of Capricorn. If it resonated with you in any which way, darling, please do hit the like button, subscribe, comment, and thank you for all your support so far, and it means a lot to me. Stay safe, stay home, and see you soon, guys. Cheers.